y'all, I'm Sandy from Wiggin. Today I'm going to be getting into this blonde beauty here from RPGSHOW. All the links will be in the description box below, and they've also provided a code for $110 off for any wig over $450.
Let the story begin. Welcome to the channel. I be Wiggin.
Before we get into the style, let's take a look at everything that comes in the box. You're going to receive this black box that is enclosed in a really nice soft bag that you can reuse later for travel or storage. When you open your box, the wig is enclosed in this soft tissue paper as well as a netting, and that keeps everything protected. They've placed a styrofoam insert under your lace that helps hold its shape during the shipping. Inside the box, you've got some really nice extra goodies. They provided a wig cap to try on your wig. There is a thank you card from the CEO as well as your order information. They provided a lace cutting kit that helps customize your lace. There is a band inside of the box that you can secure your lace in case you decide you want to glue. There is some wig tape to secure your lace, and they've also provided a travel bag that is super convenient. Okay, now that we've gotten everything out of the box, let's talk about this style. This is 100% human hair, and the style is Dominic 044. So I'm going to take you to the website and I'm going to show you exactly everything that I selected when I chose this wig. So on the website, it is described as ash blonde highlights, long wavy lace front wig. The first thing that you're going to choose is your hair color. There are two selections there, and then next to that is the hair color like the picture. You can expect it to take a little bit longer because you're getting that wig customized. Your next selection is going to be your hair length, and it starts at 14 inches and it goes all the way to 20 inches. And of course, the longer the hair, the more the price increases. But I want to talk about hair length from RPGSHOW. So let me move back a little bit so we can measure this wig. They measure the wig from the nape to the ends. And if you do that, of course, they have curled the wig before they sent it, so it'll appear a little bit shorter. But if you measure it from that length, you're getting, well, even with that, you're getting 18 inches in length. If you measure it from the crown to the ends, you're getting approximately 23 inches in length. So, therefore, if you are aiming for an 18-inch wig, I would go a little bit shorter. I would go with the 16-inch. And you can look at that two ways. One, you are wanting an 18-inch wig and you order the 16-inch, you're saving some money. Or if you order an 18-inch wig, you're going to get more than what you paid for. And I'm not mad about that, y'all. So you're ordering an 18-inch wig and you're getting approximately 23 inches in length. I just want to make you aware of that in case you are definitely wanting that 18-inch wig. I would aim for a little bit shorter in order to get that. Your next selection is your hairline. You can choose between the pre-plucked, deep pre-plucked, or the Legos. I chose the deep pre-plucked, and then with your knots you can choose between light bleach or deep bleach, and I chose the deep bleach. So let's take a look at it and see what that looks like up close. I just feel like the deep pre-plucked and the deep bleach just makes the knots and the hairline look more realistic in appearance, but you do have the option, and they do have examples on the website on what that pre-plucked hairline looks like versus the deep pre-plucked hairline. Next, you're going to choose your fake scalp color. I chose no, I don't need it, but there are 3 other options there. And then you'll choose your lace color. I chose the transparent Swiss lace, suitable for fair skin tone, but there is a light brown and a medium brown, so there is a lace color that is suitable for any skin color. Let's talk lace front and cap construction. This is the 13x6 glueless lace front cap. You have a generous amount of lace that you can change your part in any direction. You'll notice when you order Dominic 044 that it has a side part, and I was really excited about that, y'all, because that's how I wear my wigs. But let's say that you like to wear your part down the middle, but you really love the shade on Dominic, you still can do that because you have that lace front that you can move that part around. You have removable combs at the ears and at the nape. They're Velcro, so you can remove them if you don't like them or they feel uncomfortable against your scalp. And they also give you hook strap adjusters at the nape. And what I love about RPGSHOW that sets them apart from so many others is that they sew that strap in there, so it's not moving around. And when you take your cap off, it doesn't come unhooked. So it's a really nice addition. They also give you a piece of lace that you can trim, and this is helpful if you want to put your hair up in a updo or a high pony. And then they also give you a strap that you can use or remove that also gives you that additional security. One other option that you have on this cap, that is an option, you choose it. It's like $5 if you want it, and it's worth the $5, y'all, because it is a drawstring. Now, what you do is you'll just take this little bead type thing and you just slide it down, and it adjusts to the size of your head. So say you're in between sizes, that cap just feels a little too large on you, you just slide this down and it adjusts to your circumference. So it's really a nice addition, and you would think maybe that you would feel it or it would be cause your wig to look more bulky at the nape, but it doesn't at all. You don't even notice that it is there. So it's a really nice addition. And with all of these options with combs and straps and strings, your wig ain't going nowhere. Okay, now it's time for the wash test. I'm going to go give the lace a cut and wash the wig so you can see the true density and texture of the wig. So this is her air dried straight out of the wash, no heat, no styling. You can really see the natural texture here and the 130% density. It's not overly thick but still has a nice fullness. For styling, I'm using my Bio-Ionic 1-inch curling iron and keeping my heat around 320. I'm just taking medium sections, wrapping away from the face and holding for a few seconds. This is the wig after the lace is cut and the styling. The shade starts with a soft lived-in brunette root, not too dark or too harsh, just enough depth to ground everything and keep it from looking flat. Then it melts into this creamy beige blonde with the prettiest mix of cool and warm tones. You've got champagne-y ribbons, a little bit of honey, and just enough ash to keep it from going brassy. There are vanilla blonde face framing pieces that catch the light in the best way. RPGSHOW has a new feature on their website. It is a virtual wig try-on, and this is going to take the guesswork out of trying to buy wigs online. It's really simple to do. You just upload a photo of yourself onto the website. You don't have to go to an outside app to do this, and then you can try on up to 6 wigs online. This is going to help you in deciding what length you want, what style, what color, and then you can try that wig online. Now, I did this myself, and I'm going to say it's not 100% perfect. It's a little rough around the edges. It takes your picture and it uploads it to the mannequin. So it's not going to look exactly like you, but it's going to give you an idea of what that wig will look like on you before you commit to buying that wig. All right, let's wrap this up with pros, cons, and my final thoughts. Starting with the pros, the hair quality is really nice. It was still soft even after washing. It held a curl really nicely and had great movement. I really love the shade. It has a lot of dimension, but yet it's not too stripy. It's not overly golden, and the root is not too dark or too harsh. And of course, I love that 13x6 lace front because it gives you a lot of parting space and makes styling super versatile. And the con, and it's really not a con, it's just something that you need to keep in mind when you go to order the wig, that the length runs from nape to the end, so it may appear longer than what you're expecting. I'll have everything linked down below so you can check it out for yourself. And if you've made it this far, I'd love to know what you think about this blonde from RPGSHOW.